Ricky's aggravated over emails. All right, so taking a break from the cars. Someone came to look at the vet today, so hopefully that gets sold soon. I got some seats for the FJ because those are shot. We got the rails from Corbeau, seats from Corbeau, and we're just getting everything prepped. I'm gonna have to get the vacuum out and clean this up because it's filthy again. Back seats need to be pressure washed again, but I'll do that another time. Just get the front seats in and get that over with. But the wrap is done, if you didn't notice. Wheels are on. I gotta get the spare mounted. It's on the side of the house. Tire shop fucked this up pretty good already. They messed up the lip right here, so I'm gonna get that fixed. Put a little paint on it. It's dirty because it got rained on, but basically all together, lifted, wheels, tires, all the suspension's done. Mirrors are black, got black handles coming soon. Got to put the roof rack on, but I got to paint that too. So step by step, it's coming along. Not too bad. Ricky wants a bazooka.
Yes.
I'm gonna do a little unboxing here in channel fashion. Apparently I don't have a razor blade to use, so it's a seat. Oh, God damn.
Oh, it's folded.
That's okay.
Just put the box upside down.
Boom, boom, boom.
Their bracket.
Yeah, let's just make it easy.
Yeah, this doesn't work. We got a problem.
We got a problem. Ah. I don't know what side's the driver's side though, so we'll find out shortly. Oh yeah! And that's the driver's side. Yeah, not bad.
So it's 4Runner, the same bracket?
Yeah. Heavy, dirty.
Any
Does
instructions?
it have hardware or anything?
No, just the Allen key.
Really? There better be, hopefully there's hardware in the bottom of the seat. Let's put it that way. Remove your stock seats. No shit.
Nah.
Yeah, remove bolts from the bottom of the Corbeau seat. Put the slider tracks on the Corbeau seat brackets forward. Line up the two front bowl holes. Tighten. Okay. What is that, leather? No, it's a suspension seat. You gotta slide the bracket. Oh, wait, I don't want to tighten it yet. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I'm gonna shred the seat.
Maybe like...
Well, so here's the thing with their seat brackets. You can actually fuck with them. I mean, I
Oh,
could.
it's not slotted.
I guess you're right. This is probably extra holes for different types of brackets.
No, just get some fucking thing bend this out.
Bro.
It's Chinesium.
And then the seatbelt's gonna fucking hit the center console. It's
Just
gonna
a
be straight.
tiny bit. Well, actually, this shouldn't move at all. Oh, unless you slide, right? What slides? Nah, no, that one slides, of course.
We have people that are stupid.
What's weird is, why is the bracket so happy this way? Like, see how it like...
The shooters of the driver's side?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You know, transfer the sensor shit over?
In a second, I'll test it. Alright, so we're gonna cut off, grind down about 3 threads here. Just not fitting, it's hitting the console, so thanks Corbeau. Dust. Clean.
Nice.
Clean.
Nice. Nice.
That's 100 degrees now.
It's like melted
Melting
in the
the
center
seat.
console. Good to go.
I was gonna melt the seat now. Alright, we got one in. Let's brighten this up a little bit. There we go. So one seat's in. See the difference between the two? There we go. Unzoom a little bit. I used the nice little caps from the 350Z because I used 12 points in the car. So, how to move these over. My phone's blowing up. Sorry about that. It's my life. About 1/4 of an inch this way. And there was like a perfect fit, dead center of the steering wheel before it was too close to the center console. Seatbelt buckle's in a good spot. Everything looks good. No clearance issues here. Gonna work on the other side now. Okay, so this is what we did to modify. The hole to the left is the new hole. It was just pressing into that and basically inside the center console. So maybe these might work for a 4Runner because a 4Runner has a thinner center console possibly, but these do not work in the FJ very well without modification. We also shortened this guy up quite a bit. Because that was also like eating into the center console. I'm assuming it's because the console is a lot bigger in the FJ. I'll kind of show you where it was hitting. So like right over here, you're just like eating into this. So this side, probably can't see down there. Maybe we'll get a flashlight and show you, but it's just wedged. So now the seat's gonna be over a little bit more. It'll fit just like that one. And as you can see, like that's a good driving position for me. Still plenty of room for someone in the back seat.
Enhance.
Okay, quick update. Losing daylight, but we got both seats in. It is done. Corbeau seats are in there. Let me turn on my interior light. That sucks because I didn't put my LEDs in yet. We'll get a better video in the daylight, but so far so good. Bree likes them. She's happy with how they feel. And yeah, so the FJ is coming along.